blue screen of death. Okay, why it is called a blue screen of death? So when you see a blue screen error, so that is the error it shows in the blue screen. Okay, blue screen of death. So error it shows in a blue screen. When blue screen is occurs, it is a death, means system is dead. Okay, it's not a simple error. It is serious error. Of course, somewhat now it is little better. You can able to deal. Earlier days, only one choice. How many troubleshooting things are there? It may not be resolved. You have to reinstall the operating system. You have to clean up the old operating system and you have to reinstall the operating system. So that is the easiest way people are doing. But coming to the BSOD, but how to learn about this one. So what is BSOD? Why it is occur? Okay, and how to resolve. How to resolve. BSOD is nothing but a stop error. BSOD is nothing but a stop error. BSOD is actually blue screen of death will occur at kernel part of your operating system. Already I told operating system, kernel and shell, two parts. Operating system, two parts, kernel and shell. Kernel part of operating system interact with your hardware, means your hardware, your operating system kernel, device drivers are in the down part. Okay, and upper part it is a shell related one. Okay, BSOD is a full system failure at a Windows kernel due to the issue with the Windows drivers or a hardware. Okay, that part. It is not a app crash. It is not a app crash, means application is not working. Because of that one we are getting BSOD. It is not happens like that most of the time. Sometimes an application is also involved with your hardware related, either keyboard or mouse or maybe hardware configuration, network related. Okay, it may involve in that one, so that may causes also BSOD, but generally application related issues and BSOD are both are different. Windows continuously running, it may rare the app can causes Windows screen blue screen because they run at a higher level in the operating system. Applications runs at a higher level of operating system, not a kernel level. Okay. So why we are getting update hardware drivers in Windows? So most of the blue screen update are hardware related or drivers related. So update drivers can fix cause of stop error. Check system application logs, event viewer for errors warning that might have a clue because of BSOD. So one is event viewer. So that is a event viewer. I open event viewer. In the event viewer, you can go to Windows log. Okay, Windows log. Under Windows log, you can see applications, security, setup, system. So you can go one by one. So like a system, application, and setup, most of the things. Okay. So you install any application, you uninstall an application, application is open. Okay, and system, when you start your system, device drivers are working, their services are working, hard disk is connected. So all these things, the kernel part also it will shows both kernel and shell parts. You format a drive, that is also comes under Windows logs. It is not displaying anything. So there is some kind of error it is. Okay, suddenly it is occur my event viewer. Okay guys, so how this look like? In olden days, Windows XP, Windows 7 time, This BSOD is look like this one. The blue screen of death is look like this one. Okay, you can see this one showing something special pool detected a memory corruption, technical information. So you can see it's a 0x000C1. It's an EXA code which will show. It is a stop error. You have to read what is the content in it and search in a Google. You will find why it is occur. Okay. In Windows 10, it is showing your blue screen of death like this. If you see here, it is showing a 20% BSOD issue. It is showing. Okay, what is this 20% complete? I will show you here, guys. When you face BSOD, okay, so it will shows why it is occur in the bottom, why it is occur, and it restart itself. System will restart itself. Before restarting, it collect the information from your logs. What is the error? It will collect that information. Once 100% is completed, it will restart your PC, and PC is try to resolve the issue. Coming to Windows, it is try to resolve your issues. Okay, you try to resolve your issues. Now, so why actually occurs? It is a hardware level. Okay, usually conflicts, conflicts at IRQ, IO, memory, and addressing, IO memory or IO address related. So basically, incompatibles. Architectural wise, incompatibility or uncompatibility. So there is in is having some problem. So uncompatible device drivers kind of stuff. Device drivers and updates. Any recent updates? Who is this? iOS system, MacBooks. Actually, iOS is a mobile and Mac is for laptop desktop. Okay, so maybe because I never hear about a Mac blue screen of death related, but I have seen that every operating system may have certain stop errors kind of stuff. Okay, so if it is face certain issue, right? So then definitely throw an error. So there is a one of kind. Some places non-Windows operating system, it may show as a pink screen of death kind of stuff. Okay. In a VMware vSphere, it shows pink screen of death. BSOD. It is a in a VMware. Like maybe it is there in that one. So okay. Guys, if any conflicts will occur, why these conflicts can be occur by installing applications, by installing drivers, by updates. So you may get a boost update, or you change BIOS settings, also may causes these issues. You change some BIOS settings or general OS related settings. Generally, that is settings won't cause anything. Okay. You change the BIOS settings, install some hardware devices. Okay, these conflicts may occur by installing new hardware, by change of BIOS settings, by installing device drivers, incompatible or uncompatible drivers, certain updates, certain applications may cause these issues. What to do? You got a BSOD. What to do? Got a BSOD. Okay. In Windows 10, this is the thing in a Windows 10. See how much bigger it is. Okay. Yes, I'm telling in Windows 10 manner. So when BSOD occurs in Windows 10, it repairs automatically by restart. It will take 20%, 30%, 100% completed. System will restart. So it is try to repair itself. Okay, it try to repair any issues. Is there, guys? Conflict means two numbers, same two numbers, two devices like IO IRQ conflict or IO memory addressing conflict is there. There is a two devices are having same number, conflict will occur. So system, your process will confuse because of the two numbers. So confused like is it a mouse or it is a keyboard? It is a trackpad. Is it a pen drive? Is it a hard disk? So it will confuse in between the devices, in between the chipsets. Like this is the audio chip, and it is same audio chip, another also there. It is not there, but it is something an application is showing like there is another or address conflict is there. Okay, one video chip and audio chip same address. So it's a conflict is occur because of while your system is running, because of we install some applications, drivers, and new hardware devices, change of settings. So the previous the what are the existing one is different from now. It is conflict is occur. Okay, or same conflicts. So what happen? Restart may help. So when BSOD occurs, don't do anything for first time. Listen carefully. First time BSOD occurs, don't do anything. Wait. Either better take a picture. Okay, better take a picture and then keep it aside and wait for 100% completed. Let it restart. Once it is restarted and you didn't get a BSOD again, no problem. But no problem. Okay. But you open some application or a certain service, immediately you got a BSOD. So you can understand maybe there is certain application, certain service related to that one. It is causing this issue. Remember that one. What to do? So if something you open, earlier days where I play Facebook games, Candy Crush kind of games. That is actually we played in a Facebook. Okay, Facebook games. So in a Candy Crush, limited moves are there, 50 moves, 30 moves, 40 moves. What we do, we use a hack tool to hack the Facebook and change the moves. Like 30 moves are there, I will make it as a 300 moves and play a game, finish it by 40 moves. Remaining moves become sugar crush. So we'll get a higher score also. So we'll get more moves, and as well as a higher score. You will get 3-star. We will get it. Okay. But Facebook is more intelligent, right? Facebook is more intelligent. People are doing like this. They create some bug inside, wanted bug. Okay, it's a kind of bug it is. If you attach any hack tool, automatically Facebook will throw a BSOD. Initially, I don't understand why I'm getting BSOD while playing a game, because I didn't touch any hardware related or this drivers related. Just simply I'm playing a game. So why it is getting a throwing game? Then later I understand. So this is the script inside. If you are attacking like this, they will change in the process, because this is a process related. Okay, we are manipulating process, backend process. So obviously they will put a one code in a process related thing. So other than the default setting, any changes occur, throw a BSOD. System restarts, no problem. But when you use, it will get it. So I understand that one, so I stop using that hack tools. Okay. So one. So another one also I will tell. Okay. What is another
Yes,
one?
sir.
Okay. I try to install VMware Workstation 12 Pro that time. Now I am using 16 Pro. Okay, 12 Pro, and there is a enhanced code. Enhanced keyboard is introduced in 12 Pro. In 11 and 10, 9, 7, I know from 7, but that option is not there. In a 12 Pro only, the option is introduced. This option, okay, this option. So what I've done, it is a new option. So I selected it and I installed it. Next, installed it. Okay, after installation, it is rebooted and I got a BSOD. Blue screen of death. It is an application, right? But this enhanced keyboard drivers, what is it? Enhanced keyboard drivers means that it is a separate drivers installing in my PC. If there is a keyboard and enhanced keyboard conflict is occur. Okay. So what I have done? So my PC is restarted. And again I got it. Again I got it. So I got a BSOD. Again I got it. So then again I restarted. Again I got a BSOD. It means not only first time, guys, 2-3 times it is repeated. Then what to do? I don't understand. Then what it is? It's a continuous restarts or occurs. So what to do? You have to uninstall any newly installed hardware, operating system related drivers. If you attach a new hardware, you are getting BSOD, continuous BSOD, then remove that hardware. It is causing some issue. You will understand what you done last time. You should understand what you done last time. Then remove the hardware part. Maybe you install drivers or you updated drivers. Remove drivers, related drivers. You install new drivers or you updated drivers. So remove that drivers are a drivers update thing. Uninstall that application which is causing these issues. Change back the BIOS settings. Okay. Virtualization purpose, like, if you see from here, task manager, performance, CPU. In this one, virtualization enabled it is showing. So if it is enabled, so I can able to create a virtual machines in my PC. If it is showing disabled, means I cannot create a virtual machines in my PC. Either using VMware workstation or VirtualBox or Hyper-V, I cannot create a virtual machines. Okay, mainly 64-bit virtual machines I cannot create. Okay, so how to enable it? I have to go to BIOS settings. In the BIOS settings, I have to change. In a world systems, when you are already using system from so many days, you change the BIOS settings. Suddenly, you change the BIOS settings, you enable this feature. Your operating system may not understand what is that new kind of stuff. Okay, before installing operating system or just installing operating system. So you have to change it, but you didn't done it. So your operating system already having all hardware related IRQ numbers, IO numbers, everything. Now this feature is enabled. So this may cause a BSOD. So what to do? You have to change back the BIOS setting. BIOS settings are related to hardware, right? So you change the settings, better to change back. So this is what we can able to do it. But guys, sometimes it is not easy to uninstall an application, uninstall a drivers, uninstalling a updates. So what to do? Better to go for a safe mode. Better to go for a safe mode. Already we discussed what is safe mode yesterday. Safe mode is a minimal operating system used for a troubleshooting purpose. In safe mode, the background application services, okay, those things won't work. Drivers will be disabled here. So what is the chance here? The basic system requirement, that much only it will run. Only operating system basic requirement only it will run. It does not run any other applications, background application services, it don't run. So you got a safe. Now if possible, if in case it is a application is causing that issue, you can uninstall the application. Or there is a file it is causing that issues, or maybe drivers causing any issues, or maybe update drivers is causing issues. Okay, so you can able to revert it in here. One more is more helpful for that one is system restoration. Okay. One more is more helpful for that one is system restore. System restoration. So what will happen if you do another one is system restoration. Okay. It is then system restore is helpful because of you can restore your you can restore already I told system restoration you can restore system to earlier. Okay, means you restore application settings and stuff. Applications and settings kind of stuff. Okay. Okay, guys, what I'm trying to say is I told one example, right? What it is, I select this option and next it's text installed. Okay, because of this enhanced keyboard drivers, I'm getting blue screen of death. But immediately I don't understand why I'm getting a blue screen of death. So later I understand because of this application, this option. So I'm getting this. But I didn't do anything. Just night time as night I went to my home and I open a same BSOD is occurring. So then I leave it like that. The next day I take my laptop to office. Means my institute, previous institute it is. So I open. I got a blue screen of death. One of the student is remember how to troubleshoot what I told like system restoration point that troubleshooting he remember. So what I done, he said, sir, I will try. Then I give it to the guy. So what he done, he go to first safe mode, he try to go to safe mode. From safe mode, he done restoration. From safe mode, he choose restoration because in safe mode, the drivers, those things won't work now. So we didn't get a BSOD that time. So what he done, he go to safe mode. Already I told how to go to safe mode. So he go to the safe mode. Then he go to the system restoration directly because he don't know what I have done, right? So I know, but he don't know, right? So what he done, he go to the system restoration point. Luckily, while I'm installing this application, it created a one system restoration point. Like automatically, a restoration point is created before the installation is complete installation is done. Okay. So what had happened? This application is removed from my PC. So I'm out of BSOD. Later I installed the application again without checking that enhanced keyboard kind of option. Okay. So this is the point, guys. If you got a BSOD, you don't need to worry. So what it is? First, understand why you are getting a BSOD and think what happened to your PC last time. Means either you change any settings, do you install any applications, or do you install any drivers, updates, change of BIOS settings, anything you done, or you install any hardware. So we have to revert what have you done last time. So what has happened last time, that revert it. So you may get a blue screen of death. May you are out of that one. Another one is first of all in Windows 10 you have to wait, let it resolve itself. If it is not resolving itself, then you have to do reverting, uninstalling hardware, uninstalling applications, drivers, or device updates kind of stuff. If you cannot able to do those kind of stuff, better to go try in the safe mode, and system restoration also help you to resolve your BSOD. Okay, same thing only I've written multiple times. Earlier days people do if nothing work out, reinstall files. That is your BSOD. So in BSOD, what is BSOD, why it is occurs, how to resolve. Only these three things you should take it. So how much matter it is there, you have to tell an answer in a 3 ways. Not only answer, guys, you must know what it is. And morning I explained about a cloud and as well as a infra. Guys, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So here, two topics are there, guys. The first one I will stop this recording.